Everything in the universe, including your body, is made of vibration. When we're stressed, anxious, or unwell, our natural rhythm can feel out of tune. Sound or vibrational healing works like a gentle reset. The tones of a singing bowl, the gongs, drums, or even your humming sends calming waves through the body, helping to soothe your nervous system, so it's reducing the stress and your anxiety. It supports a deeper sleep and relaxation, releases blocked energy and tension in your body. It can enhance your meditation and focus, and it restores your balance, leaving you grounded and renewed. Sound doesn't just enter the ears, it's felt through the whole body, like a massage for the mind, heart, and soul. Next time you hear a hum of a bowl, drum, or even your own steady breath, notice how your body responds. That's healing in action.